Wanna learn how to fix your login error on your Amino app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. Today, I'll teach you 3 of the ways to fix your login error. The very first one is to go to your App Store or Play Store and then tap on this search for apps and games option on the top. Insert your Amino app and then search for the particular app. So the very first reason of you facing the login error could be that your app may not have been updated. So you will get an update option instead of open on the top right corner. You can simply tap on update and get your app updated. Tap on this Amino one. You can see that my app was last updated on July 13th. So this is the recently updated one. So make sure to get your app updated and this will surely help you fix your login error. The second one is to go to the settings of your phone and then go for the app info. For this you can tap on apps and simply reach to the point where you can clear the cache of your app. For this, on my phone application, you can see that I have an option of manage apps. I'm going to tap on manage apps below system app settings and then I'm going to tap on the search bar on the top and then insert here Amino app just like this. And yes, this is the particular app that I was searching for. On the bottom you can see 3 of the options. That is force stop, uninstall and clear data. Tap on clear data next to uninstall. Tap on clear cache below clear all data. Tap on OK on the bottom right. Just by doing it, you can see that you have just removed all of the unrequired filthy junks present on your Amino app. This could be the second reason of you facing your login error. So make sure to remove all of them, and this can also help you fix your login error. The third and the final one is to go for this particular app and then drag it until the point you'll get an option of uninstall. Make sure to tap on uninstall and get this particular app uninstalled and go back to Play Store and then reinstall this particular app once again. Reinstalling this particular app will also help you fix your login error. So alright, I have just told you 3 of the ways to solve it. Go and try all of them. I'm sure it could help you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.